Welcome to Leme, the quiet stretch of Copacabana, the sea, the boardwalk, and quality of life right outside of your window. In a traditional building next to the beach, this renovated apartment is bright and airy. The living room has 2 areas and a 180 view from Leme to Posto 6. There are 3 quiet bedrooms, all with noise reduction windows, 2 of them with a delightful view of treetops. Fitted kitchen, laundry area, and in-suite maid's quarters. There is no parking in the building, but there is ample parking available right in front of the apartment complex. Avenida Atlântica, Leme, Rio de Janeiro. 151 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, panoramic view, and 24 hours concierge. The Leme neighborhood. Leme is Copacabana's refuge, a tree-lined boardwalk for walking and cycling, local cafés and restaurants, and a residential atmosphere. The Duque de Caxias Fort offers breathtaking views, and on New Year's Eve, the Copacabana celebration reaches here. Privacy, convenience, and the sea, all in one place. Want to experience Leme from your window? Contact us today and schedule your visit. If you are considering purchasing in Leme and you are seeking something more compact, there is an 86 square meters apartment on the 7th floor with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, 24 hours concierge, close to shops and transportations, and with financing available. Located at Rua Gustavo Sampaio. Feel free to contact us today and receive more information and details. Leme, where tranquility meets opportunity. Send us a message today and let's talk.